It's a new 2019 MINI Hardtop two-door. Don't confuse premium with pretentious. The high-end parts and performance treat you well, and the world-famous handling keeps you grounded. It's well equipped with the features you need: external memory control, power heated mirrors, leather steering wheel, rear park distance control park assist, push button start, manual tilting steering column, manual transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. AutoWeek reports it retains the cart-like steering that's made the Mini name famous, and it's just a little bit nervous at high speeds on the expressway, which we liked. Efficiency, fun, and freedom. Welcome to Mini. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.